So marketing is hard, but it doesn't have to be. You should have fun with it. It should be easy. It should feel easy. And one of the ways I've learned to do this is with Pinterest. So I enjoy creating content in general, but not all the time. Sometimes I really get into this mood when I'm like just pushing out content. But then I get into this other place where I'm like, oh my God, I just want to rest. So what I love about Pinterest is that I can take all of my old content, create pins for it, put it on Pinterest, and people can find that content for weeks, months, and years to come. I'm not lying to you. I know it's for a fact because I'm a Pinterest marketing expert. So I do this for clients, and I have clients who are getting signups to their email list from a piece of content or a lead magnet from last year. A lot of times they are just as amazed to see that people are still finding value in something that they created years ago. So imagine that that's you. You need to be marketing your business on Pinterest. Pinterest is good for service providers, online coaches, content creators, of course, product sellers. You definitely need to be there. So don't just stick to social media. Get onto a search engine, a search and discovery tool that's going to help you in the long term so that your content can keep working for you for weeks, months, and years to come. If you have any questions, I'm Presh Rogers, and I do Pinterest marketing for online businesses. So drop them below and I'm happy to help.